Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this photograph. They mentioned it was on a banner, so it's kind of wavy, but they wanted to know how or they want to know what text it is. I've never seen this text. I just typed out pretty close is impact, and I am going to left click, right click, and then it's about the same size, and I'm just going to take a oval, and I'm going to put it up here, see if we're even close, and look at that, how close we are. And then I'm going to go like right there. I'm going to hit the plus key on the keyboard, and I'm going to go like, this one doesn't seem to be as sharp. Then I'm going to hit the plus key on the keyboard, and I'm just going to bring that one kind of over. And actually, if you look, I'm kind of wrong there. The tails are actually elongated and not shortened. So what we need to do is turn this into a curve. We don't really have to break it apart, I don't think. And we're going to take these two nodes, we're going to change our nudge factor to like 1/4 of an inch, 0.25. Take these two nodes and just nudge them up, maybe twice. Take these two nodes and nudge them down twice. And then maybe it's not twice, but you're going to get the idea and how I'm going to do it and then bevel it. So we need to put this, and you might want to zoom in here. They actually said they didn't have to be exact. Whoop. Grab it with the 4-point and have it lock those at that node. This one doesn't seem to be as sharp. Let me zoom in here. Grab it when you get the 4-point item and have it snap to that. Let's see what we're doing. No, just down here. Let's see. It actually needs to go down. So like snap it to the midpoint. I think I got it actually not round anymore. And let's snap it to that midpoint right there. And the same thing here. Then let's set our nudge factor back to 10 inches. And let's take the Smart Fill tool and let's nudge that over, nudge that over, nudge that over, nudge that over, nudge that over. We're pretty close. Maybe it's too sharp of an angle, but that's how I would do it. And then if we do this, if we left click, right click, and actually now break all this apart. Well, it should be apart because we've already done the Smart Fill. So now let's go to Effects and Bevel. But what we need to do really, this is kind of a red. Let's actually make it red. Let's use the color eyedropper tool and get that red and then fill it in there, 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 there. And then let's get the bevel tool and let's just bevel it and see what happens. We're way too big of a bevel. We want just a little one, so we're going to back up and we're going to bevel it like just 0.2. That's still too much. Let's go 0.1. We just want a slight bevel on it. You have to kind of go back and look at the original picture. And that would be, yeah, it's probably even less than that. Let's back up here, and you can always go 0.05. Once you've got it set, you just have to walk across the board and bevel it. And I think that's pretty close to that font now. They've got some shadow going on, and it's against a blue background, but they've also got some highlights on part of the bevel. So let's do this. Let's make a blue box. Let's actually put it down here, get the color eyedropper tool, and get that blue. We'll make it as close as we can. Put it in the lines, go up to Object, Order, back a page. And now you can see that they had they've got some shadowing going on in this. And they didn't ask for that. They just wanted to know this part of the font. I might play around with this and see if we can't get some of this highlight on top in part 2. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for